My name is Frank Scalzo. I'm the Senior Director, GM of Network and Product Strategy at Iron Mountain Data Centers. No matter what your connectivity needs are, we're ready to help. Here's 5 ways we're ready today. 1, our direct internet access product can help your business with internet connectivity speeds up to multiple hundreds of gigabits a second. 2, our cloud on-ramp is ready if your business needs to connect to the cloud, whether it's Amazon, Microsoft, or Google. We're ready to help you connect, and we have several SDN and carrier partners in our ecosystem. For customers that have data centers located around the globe, our virtual cross-connect product is there to help you interconnect your data centers, even if they're outside of the Iron Mountain family. If you operate a high-traffic network and you're concerned about making sure you can reach the internet exchange partner of your choice, we have partnerships with data center operator neutral IXPs in almost every market around the world. And lastly, if we don't have what you need in our ecosystem, our MetroWave product is ready to extend the ecosystem into other strategic interconnection points in the region. No matter what your connectivity needs are, Iron Mountain's ready to help.